So hello everyone, I am Rishad Ahmed and today I'll be telling about an AI tool which you can use to learning. An AI tool by which you can take your learning to the next level. So guys, you have to come on the Google and you have to type NotebookLM and you will get the first link and you have to click on it and you will be redirected to this page and then you have to click on this link and after that you will be redirected to this link to this page. After that, what here you can see on the interface that sources like whatever PDF or the resources which from which you're gonna learn something, anything you have to add from here. It could be either a Google Drive, Google Slide, a link or a YouTube link or a paste or anything, any you can upload from your computer and it will be added to the source. So after adding your PDF or any resources here, you will get all these things here only, all the topics, all the subject here only, and you can ask any question about the topic or anything, but and you can able to get all these things in a single click here. So as you can see, an audio will be converted of this whole chapter like a podcast so that you can able to listen it very easily. Also, it can also convert it into a video form. Like I already converted into it. Let's see. Here it's taking.
You know that feeling, right? You're bundled up under a
As you
blanket,
can
maybe with a
see,
fever, and you just think,
it's
ugh, why
working
me? Why
properly.
do I feel so
It will
awful?
convert
Well, the
properly, very
we
beautifully
hijacked.
into an
We're gonna break it all
animation,
down. Okay, so
a very beautiful animation that you can see. And also it is right now available in English only,
it goes
not
right
in
past
another
someone on the floor.
languages, but
Seriously,
soon it
our
will get
mental
convert
health
into
is
lots of
declining.
languages. And another part is that mind mapping. Here you can see lots of different topics of this chapter can be seen here very easily, like personal and community, for health, villages, towns, cities, living. These all are the subtopics of this topic, of this subject, which you can download and can learn something new very easily. Also, you can make notes here, like here also. So it's a very helpful tool for the student who is learning for the new chapter, or any person who is learning something new and have the resources, a limited resource. So by that he or she can able to learn it very easily. And it is the best AI tool which is right now free, and you can use it freely. Thank you.